testing of hypothesis. And here we consider the gamma k, which is nothing but the k replicates 1, 2 and so on are. These replicates are homogeneous. And the another testing of hypothesis is the alpha I, which is nothing but the main effect of A. Main effect of A is insignificant, which is equals to 0. Insignificant. There is no significant difference between the main effect of A in different levels అని చెప్తున్నాం అన్నమాట. And the third one is beta J. The main effect of B is also insignificant, which is nothing but there is no significant difference between the main effect of B in different levels, in 2 different levels. And the fourth one is alpha beta ij, which is equals to 0. There is no interaction effect between the factor A and factor B. So these are the testing of the hypothesis. Now we need to do the analysis, which is nothing but the analysis of variance, and draw the ANOVA table. So in order to draw the ANOVA table, there are the steps. First we need to consider the grand total, which is nothing but summation I is equals to 1 and summation j, summation k, which is equals to yi j k. This is equals to g, grand total. And correction factor CF, which is equals to capital G square by n, where n is equals to, here we are find outing for the 2 square experiment, factorial experiment. So r into 2 square. And now total sum of the squares, which is nothing but TSS, total sum of the squares, which is draw sum of the squares minus correction factor. In RBD, for total sum of the squares, the degrees of freedom is n minus 1. Right? N is here r into 2 square. So with r into 2 square minus 1 degrees of freedom. And here row sum of the squares is nothing but summation I, summation j, summation k, yij k square minus the correction factor is g square by n. And now the replication sum of the squares, which is nothing but SR square. This is ST square, this is SR square. This is 1 by 2 square, R1 square plus R2 square plus so on RR square with R minus 1 degrees of freedom. The replications, which are nothing but replications in randomized block design, we can say it as blocks, R minus 1. And now total sum of the squares is completed, replication sum of the squares is completed. Now we need to calculate error sum of the squares. We know that total sum of the squares is nothing but sum of the squares due to treatments and sum of the squares due to replications and sum of the squares due to error, which can be represented as st square, which is equals to st square plus SSR is nothing but SR square plus SE square. From this one, we can calculate SE square, which is nothing but SE square is equals to capital ST square minus sum of the squares due to treatment minus sum of the squares due to replications. So first let us consider what are the treatments. Sum of the squares due to treatments, which is equals to what are the three treatments, or what are the combination of treatments we got? The main effect A and main effect B and the interaction effect AB, right? So SA square plus SB square plus SAB square, which are nothing but the main effect with 1 degrees of freedom and the main effect of B with 1 degrees of freedom and the interaction effect AB with 1 degrees of freedom. So which is nothing but with 3 degrees of freedom. And if error sum of the squares SE square is total sum of the squares minus sum of the squares due to treatments minus sum of the squares due to replications. So with total sum of the squares, we have r into 2 square minus 1. So r into 2 square minus 1 minus total treatment, sum of the squares due to treatment. This is 3 degrees of freedom. 3 minus replications. Replications has r minus 1. So r minus 1. If we do this one, r into 4 minus 1 minus 3 minus r minus into minus plus 1, which is equals to 4r minus r, which is 3r, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 3. So we can take common 3, r minus 1. So error sum of the squares, which is nothing but the total sum of the squares, sum of the squares due to treatments minus sum of the squares due to replications, right? These with 3 into r, sum of error sum of the squares with 3 into r minus 1 degrees of freedom. So now we can write the ANOVA table. So draw a table like this, and in RBD randomizer block design, we have sources of variation. This is sources of variation and degrees of freedom, and I have sum of the squares, and another is mean sum of the squares. And in order to calculate the variation, we use the F ratio, variation between the treatments, F ratio. So source of the variation in randomizer block design we have, first is replications, treatments, and the replications, treatments, and the main effect of A and main effect of B and interaction effect AB, and again we have the total and error sum of the squares, right? And replications, which is nothing but the r minus 1 degrees of freedom, r minus 1, and the treatments, which is 2 power k minus 1, which is nothing but 2 square minus 1, that is 2 square is 4 minus 1, which is equals to 3. This 3 degrees of freedom of treatments is distributed equally to the main effect of A, main effect of B, and interaction effect of AB. So we get 1, 1 and 1 here, okay? And the total sum of the squares, for the total sum of the squares we have the r into n minus 1, r into 2 square minus 1 degrees of freedom. So r into 2 square minus 1 degrees of freedom, and error sum of the squares with 3 into r minus 1 degrees of freedom. So 3 into r minus 1 degrees of freedom, and sum of the squares. Sum of the squares due to replications is represented as SR square. Therefore, S square R. And treatments ST square. And main effect of A. Sum of the squares. Just now we have in the last two videos, I think so, which is nothing but A minus 1 into B plus 1 whole square by R into 2 square. So we can represent it as S A square, this is S B square, this is S A B square. And the total sum of the squares is represented as S T square, this is S E square. And mean sum of the squares. Mean sum of the squares is nothing but sum of the squares by degrees of freedom. Here the sum of the squares is S square R and degrees of freedom is R minus 1. So R minus 1. And for the treatments, that is S square T, this will be represented as S square R, small s square. Sum of the squares is represented as capital S, mean sum of the squares small s. And ST square by 2 square minus 1, which is S square T. And this is S square A. This is S square B. This is S square AB. And the mean sum of the squares, total mean sum of the squares, that is ST square by R into 2 square minus 1. And this one is SE square by 3 into R minus 1. That is SE square. And the F ratio is F ratio, which is nothing but mean sum of the squares divided by mean sum of the squares due to replications divided by mean sum of the squares due to error. That is S square R by S square E. And F ratio for the treatments is F small t, which is equals to mean sum of the squares of the treatments divided by mean sum of the squares due to error. And main effect of A, that is FA, FB, FAB, which is equals to S square A by S square E. This is small s square A. This is small s square E. This is small s square A. This is small s square T. Therefore, S square B by S square E. S square AB by S square E. And this is what till now we learned. Let us do a summary now. First, 2 square factorial అనగానే మనకి 2 factors ఉంటాయి, 2 levels ఉంటాయి, రైట్? సో ఫస్ట్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ కాంబినేషన్స్ అనేటివి రాసుకోవాలి. సో మనకు ట్రీట్మెంట్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఇక్కడ 2 స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, విచ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 4. సో 4 ట్రీట్మెంట్ కాంబినేషన్స్ అనేటివి వస్తాయి. ఆ తర్వాత మెయిన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ, దిస్ ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ 4 కదా, విచ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 4 minus 1 విచ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3. సో మనకి ఈ 4 ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ ఏమొస్తాయి, ఇక్కడ మనం ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏబి అనుకున్నాం. సో ఏ బి ఏబి, ఏ బి వీటిని రెంటిని కమెంట్ చేస్తే ఏబి అంటే 3 కదా. ఈ 3 వాటికి మనం ఈ డిగ్రీస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీడమ్ అనేది డివైడ్ చేయాలి, విచ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ మెయిన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ, మెయిన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ బి అండ్ మెయిన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఏబి. ఇవి కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇవి కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత ఏం చేసాం మనం, వెదర్ దే ఆర్ ఆర్థోగోనల్ ఆర్ వెదర్ దే ఆర్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ ఆర్ ఆర్థోగోనల్ కాంట్రాస్ట్, అది రాసిన తర్వాత directly we calculated sum of the squares due to main effect of A, main effect of B and interaction effect AB. Here calculate చేసిన తర్వాత what we have that then we have directly jumped into the linear model. మనం RBD randomizer block design ని తీసుకొని లీనియర్ మోడల్ అనేది చేసాం. ఫస్ట్ we have defined what is a linear model terms, assumptions, then testing of hypothesis, and then last one is ANOVA table, and last we have forgot about the conclusion. Conclusion ఏంటంటే ఈ ప్రతి దానికి సపరేట్గా conclusion రాయాలి. This is the calculated value. If calculated value is greater than the tabulated value, then we reject the null hypothesis or else we accept. So దీనికి సపరేట్గా కన్క్లూషన్ రాయాలి, దీనికి సపరేట్గా కన్క్లూషన్ రాయాలి, దీనికి సపరేట్గా కన్క్లూషన్ రాయాలి, దీనికి సపరేట్గా కన్క్లూషన్ రాయాలి, దీనికి. If this F ratio replicates, if it is greater than the tabulated value, then reject or else accept. మీరు టెస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ హైపోథెసిస్ రాయండి, కన్క్లూజన్ రాస్తే సరిగ్గా ఉండదు. టెస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ హైపోథెసిస్లోనే కదా మనం నల్ హైపోథెసిస్, ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ హైపోథెసిస్ తీసుకుంటాం. వితౌట్ దిస్ హౌ కెన్ వి రైట్ ది కన్క్లూజన్? సో లాస్ట్ కన్క్లూజన్ కూడా ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ ఎఫ్ రేషియో ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్, if the calculated value is greater than the tabulated value, then we reject null hypothesis. This is what we have done in the 2 square factorial experiment. And 2 cube 2 to the power of 4 kuda ilane untundi, kane just for a change the levels will be increased and the factors also increase. Sorry, levels does not increase, factors increase. Okay, thank you all, happy learning.